Hi friends! In today's video, we will learn how to make LED chaser with Arduino Uno. All the code and diagram you can get from the description. The components required for this project are Arduino Uno, 12 LEDs, you can use less, breadboard, and some jumper wires. In the connections, follow the diagram and connect GND pin of Arduino to breadboard GND rail, and now connect all the short legs of LEDs to GND rail. Now connect the long legs of LEDs to Arduino pin 2 till pin 13, respectively. Now let's code the Arduino board. For this, open Arduino IDE and paste the code which you copied from the description. Check the correct board and COM, and hit the upload button. Now the code is uploaded. As you can see, LEDs are working. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this project, don't forget to subscribe to Arduino Codex and also like this video. See you in the next video.